In this video, I'm going to show you how to link IFX Broker to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open up your account on IFX Brokers, and you want to go to your dashboard over here, and then you want to scroll down here where you can basically create a new account. So right now, I'm just going to create a demo account to showcase how this is done, but a similar process can be done with a real account. So I'm going to click on New Demo, and then here, I'm going to select MT5 as the platform. And here you have to select your account currency. I'm going to do USD, and then I'm going to do the demo standard. Over here, how much you want to deposit, and then your leverage. Then you have to basically type in your password and click on submit request. And after that, you will see your login, which is going to be a long number, and then the password for MT5 as well on your screen. And then when you see that, and by the way, you'll also receive it onto your email. And as you can see over here, this is my MT5 trading account here, and I have the password over here, which I can just reveal like that, and I'll be able to see that as well. Okay, so make sure you have this. You'll need your trading account number, you'll need your password, and then also you'll need MT5. So if you don't have it yet, you can get it over here on the left hand side, or you can just download it to your computer from the MT5 official website. Okay, whenever you do that, you want to go and open up MT5 and look for IFX Broker. So top left, click on File, go to Open an Account, type in IFX Broker. There we go. And then click Find Your Company, and it's going to find IFX Brokers Holdings over here. Click on it and click on Next, and click on Connect to an existing trade account. And here you have to basically type in that number, so the login, and then the password as well, which of course you will receive onto your email, and also it's going to be revealed to you upon creating your account. And then here for the server, right now the Real is the only one that's available, but in case this changes, you'll be notified whenever you create your account. And then just click on the Finish button, and just like I'm connected right now, you'll connect your IFX Brokers account to your MT5. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.